Welcome back. The Lok Sabha poll results in Maharashtra have come as a blow to the NDA. Now, signs of consternation are already being seen. BJP's tally in the state, remember, plummeted to 9 seats from the high of 23 in 2019 elections. The figure is way below the target of 30 that the BJP was aiming to get in the state. The BJP and its alliance partners have together won 17 out of 48 seats, which the INDIA bloc has surpassed by a good 30 seats. That is their total tally, keeping them ahead by 13 seats. Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis today at a press conference said that he takes full responsibility for party's poor showing in the state and has offered to resign from the post of Deputy Chief Minister, saying that he would request the party top brass to relieve him from government responsibilities so that he can focus instead on party work and prepare a fresh strategy for upcoming state elections.
महाराष्ट्र में चूंकि एक प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सारी जिम्मेदारी महाराष्ट्र में एक लीडर के रूप में मेरे ऊपर थी, तो ये जो हमारा महाराष्ट्र में डिबैकल हुआ है या जो हमें एक प्रकार से हार मिली है, हमारी सीटें कम हुई है, इसकी पूरी जिम्मेदारी ये मेरी है। मैं इस जिम्मेदारी को स्वीकारता हूं।
The BJP leaders in the state have held 2 rounds of meetings to discuss the outcome of elections in Mumbai. One round of meeting was held before Fadnavis's press conference and another after the press conference. Several state BJP leaders, including Devendra Fadnavis, Ashok Chavan and Ashish Sellar, participated in these huddles. It is learned that Maharashtra BJP leaders have tried to convince Fadnavis to reconsider his decision.
देवेंद्र जी से हमने विनती की कि वो हमारे लिए हफ्ते के 4 दिन दे, 3 दिन वो सरकार में रहे, और ये करने के बाद हमारी यहाँ पर एक प्रेस विज्ञप्ति हुई जिसमें देवेंद्र जी ने कह दिया कि मुझे पूरा टाइम, फुल टाइम अब महाराष्ट्र में फ्रंट लाइन में संगठन और विकास में काम करना है। उन्होंने ये मंशा व्यक्त की है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि मैं केंद्र से बात करूंगा, केंद्र के नेता जो निर्णय लेंगे वही अंतिम निर्णय होगा। लेकिन उनकी भावना उन्होंने व्यक्त की है। लेकिन उसके बाद हम लोग सारे लोग फिर एक बार देवेंद्र जी के साथ बैठे। हम सारे लोगों ने उनको विनती की है कि वो सरकार में रहकर ही हमारे साथ 4 दिन संगठन को दे सकते हैं।
And here is what Shiv Sena UBT has to say about Devendra Fadnavis's offer to resign.
हे या विधानसभेलाच काय, कुठल्याही विधानसभेला ना ते मुख्यमंत्री होऊ शकतात, ना मुख्यमंत्री पदाचा चेहरा म्हणून भाजपा त्यांना प्रोजेक्ट करेल। भाजपाला कदाचित मुख्यमंत्री पदाचा चेहरा म्हणून प्रोजेक्ट करायचं असेल तर एक वेळ विनोद तावडे यांचं नाव, तावडे साहेबांचं नाव पुढे येऊ शकेल, परंतु देवेंद्रजींचं नाव पुन्हा कधी मुख्यमंत्री पदासाठी येईल असं मला अजिबात वाटत नाही।
And now Eknath Shinde, Chief Minister of Maharashtra and the Chief of Shiv Sena, as well as a Mahayuti ally, has also weighed in on the subject. Eknath Shinde has said that if a failure has happened, it is a collective responsibility because all the allies had fought together, all the 3 parties had worked together for the elections. If there is anything that was lacking, that will be reviewed honestly. Modi had a development agenda that could not be countered, but false narratives around it that constitution will be changed is what has hurt the BJP and the other 2 allies of Mahayuti in the state. Arunil, all this analysis becomes very, very significant because state assembly elections are almost around the corner, just about to take place this year itself.
Well, certainly yes. It is in October or November, that is when Maharashtra state elections are expected. Devendra Fadnavis at a crucial juncture, only 3 to 4 months before the state elections, saying that I want to be relieved from government duties and want to work for the party. I take the onus and the responsibility for the failure of BJP's numbers in the state of Maharashtra becomes very significant. However, immediately BJP leaders, senior BJP leaders, be it Chandrasekhar Bawankode, who is the Maharashtra BJP chief, be it Mangal Prabhat Lodha, a Maharashtra minister and BJP leader himself, they have said that we need the guidance and support of Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. In fact, CM Eknath Shinde also has made a very crucial point, saying that the seats may have decreased, but the vote share for the Mahayuti has increased. We have worked together, we take collective responsibility, and we should continue to work together, taking the development agenda of PM Modi. That is what CM Eknath Shinde has said, and said that I'll soon be speaking with Mr. Fadnavis to ensure that he takes back his decision, if at all he wants to. Basically, he should reconsider his decision. An interesting jibe has been made by Vijay Wadettiwar, the leader of opposition, basically saying that probably Devendra Fadnavis, who was eyeing the chief minister's post 2.5 years back when Shinde was being made the CM of Maharashtra, again he's eyeing the CM's post, and that is why he's taking all these decisions. That is what Vijay Wadettiwar is saying, and he also requested Devendra Fadnavis to remain in his position, saying that it is only because of you, it is only because of your jor-tod politics that the Congress and the Mahavikas Aghadi has done so well in the Lok Sabha elections.
And Mahavikas Aghadi has all eyes on them after their spectacular performance. In fact, if sources are to be believed, then even NDA has its eyes on Shiv Sena, UBT and Uddhav Thackeray. Times Now's Tejashree spoke to Arvind Sawant, the Shiv Sena UBT's Mumbai South candidate who registered a spectacular victory yesterday. Here is what he had to say about the changing scenarios.
Devendra Fadnavis has said that he will be requesting the High Command of the BJP to relieve him from the political duties because the performance, and in fact he was given the responsibility of Maharashtra as well, and BJP could not perform according to the expectations.
It is the corrupt mentality, corrupt politics, corrupt socialism, all corrupt, total corrupt. And these conspiracies he used to make against every party and defaming them, and that has given the result to him, that he was so loud that 45 plus, where they stand today. Exit poll wallo, you people should also, are they the party to that? And I am having a concern about media first, because it is the fourth pillar of the democracy. If you go on giving the wrong news, corrupt news, that is going to create a problem for the democracy of India. Introspect yourself also by giving exit polls and other opinions about the people. Don't blindly follow the thing. If I am wrong, bring it to the notice of the people. What is right?
But why do you think Devendra Fadnavis has taken this step, and how it will be affecting Maharashtra's politics?
He'll go from here to non-entity.
Any further position will be given to him, do you think?
Let them give. It will not improve. With the damage which he has made to himself. Forget about the party. His character is spoiled now, because he was known as one of the best MLAs. He was known, and he was a good orator too. But then, up late, the laundry issue, the owner of the laundry, bringing corrupt people into the party, allowing them to join, honoring them by ministership, all those things. These are the conspiracies. Not only of their two bosses are there. Without that, he cannot do that. So all these are, why blame one? All the three are to be blamed, in fact.
Last question, sir. NDA meeting is also under.
All right. He also said that Devendra Fadnavis now is a non-entity in Maharashtra politics after the latest results. So time now for us to take a very quick break.